Hello guys. Today we will see how to run all the test cases in the Playwright. Okay. Now you can see here, right? Under test we have all the test cases. 1, 2, 3, 4 test cases. Under this folder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Under this 4, 4 total 8 test cases are there. We will see how to run all the test cases in the Playwright automation. Okay. Now we are running all the test cases. Okay. Now run all the tests. npx playwright test. This is the command which is used to run all the tests. See, 8 tests are running, right? Running 8 tests. So some one error we got under this one. See, totally we are running 8 test cases, 7 pass, 1 failed. So okay. Let it be the failed one, but you want to show that this is the command we will use to run all the test cases. What is the command we used? npm run npx playwright test. npx playwright test is the command. Okay. I hope you understood, guys. Thank you.